Hello everyone, in today's video I will demonstrate the new feature of WECON server drive home mode. This feature has been added to firmware version 1.22. Please make sure that the servers are updated to this version or later. Firstly, connect the server drive to the PC using the SC-Tool software. Then reset the server drive to factory settings. The home mode is applicable only in the position control mode of the server drive. Here I will demonstrate using DI enable home mode. Additionally, the server will also support enable home mode directly upon power up. For this demonstration, let's use home mode 19 as an example. Next, set the home mode and the speed during searching for zero or switch. The available home mode types are consistent with those on VD3E. DI3 will act as the homing start signal and DI4 as the home switch signal. Set the internal position command to make the motor operate at a speed of 100 RPM. Scenario 1. When the home switch signal is inactive, trigger the home start signal. The motor will run at the speed during searching for switch. Trigger the home switch signal. The motor will operate at the speed during searching for zero. When the home switch signal disappears, the motor stops running. Scenario 2. When the home switch signal is active, trigger the home start signal. The motor will run at the speed during searching for zero directly. When the home switch signal disappears, the motor stops running too.